Astrema Simone here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an entryway makeover. It's going to be the entryway of my small apartment in New York. If you've been following me, you already know, but if you're new to my channel, you're now just clicking on my face, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. I've moved into this 2-bedroom apartment about a year. It's going to be a year just now, and it's like a small 2-bedroom. So if you know anything about New York, you know that the apartments are just small. So the entryway is actually a decent size compared to where I lived before. I lived in Arizona, I lived in North Carolina, and in both places, although the apartment itself was more spacious, the entryway was a lot smaller. But out here in this entryway, they actually gave me 2 closets because the smaller bedroom, which is for my daughter, doesn't have a closet. So technically this is supposed to be the spare closet for her, but everything actually fits in her rooms. I never really got the entryway together. I just recently got rid of the little small cabinet that I had right there. I had that in both entryways. Well, I didn't have an entryway in Charlotte, North Carolina, so it wasn't in that entryway. It was like in the dining area. It didn't really match my interior design or like just the home decor. I have warmer flooring in this apartment. That cool gray didn't really go in my eyes, and it was like smaller, so I did give it to my mother, and I've been searching for something that kind of suit my style now, something luxurious, something wider. Yeah, that leads me into 2 pieces that I actually got from Homary. So thank you so much to Homary for sponsoring this video. Homary is an online home store. You can get furniture, home decor. There's so many products that's offered on that site. Homary is awesome. They sent me over 2 pieces, a console table and wall decor piece, which I'm gonna get into right now. So I actually got the entryway together right now, so I'm gonna walk you through everything, where I got it from, how I came up with the styling, and like future insight. This is not finished. You can hear my voice is still echoing. It's not finished at all. I'm actually going to be doing over and transitioning a lot of parts of the apartment because I didn't really put a lot into it, which is weird because I love decorating and things of that nature. So you're going to see a lot of that. So if that's something that you want to see more of, make sure you subscribe, okay? And like this video, let me know that you like it. So I'm going to show you right now how it's looking, how it was looking before I decorated it. Pretty spacious, but it's small at the same time because I know there's bigger entryways than this, but it's a lot to work with compared to what I had before. It's the first thing you see when you open up your door. I really want it to make me feel like, you know, when I come in. Modern luxury is basically what I'm trying to transition over to. So let me show you what I've come up with. Alright, you guys, so here is the beautiful console table. You guys, look at how wide it is. This rectangular shape is so wide. I just love the whole luxurious, minimal look to it. The white and gold, stainless steel is so aesthetic, and it's literally matching everything that I'm going for. This is how it looks. Very long and wide. I love that it comes with 2 drawers, which is great for your daily storage. So they're really wide drawers. Like, do you see how wide that is? Like, you can fit so much in there. So I plan on putting like mail, keys, different things that we drop off at the entry area. So I just love that. So they both open on up, and just look at the side. Like, it's thick and nice, very shiny. Like I was saying, I have warmer floors if you haven't seen in my apartment. I'll link my empty apartment tour down below if you want to see how it looks bare inside. But yeah, like I said, I'm not finished. I'm nowhere done with the entryway, so this is a great start. The next thing over here is this beautiful wall art that I got from Homary as well. It is about 43 inches wide, so it's a really big accent piece, and I initially was gonna put this over my bed, but I decided that this wall was so bare and I didn't have anything to put, and it just balances out so well. Like a light gray gold abstract type of piece. It's different to me. I've never seen anything like this, and I just think it's so awesome. Like, you see how far it goes up. I just really love it so much. You can put it over your bed head, you could put it somewhere in your living room. Just like with this table, you can use this table and you can put it in your home office as a desk. Like, it's wide enough and big enough. It can fit so much inside of it, or you can even use it as a vanity. And I have a really small apartment, and both of these are just making it look so great. So if you want to get your hands on any of these pieces plus way more that Homary has to offer, I will be linking the website down below, along with the links to both the console table and the wall decor down in the description box below, along with a 7% discount code off the entire site. And I want to thank Homary once again for partnering with me in this video. So now let's get on with the rest of the entryway, you guys. This console table literally was the whole foundation of how I came up with everything. So if you're struggling with decorating your space, start out with one piece that's going to be like the bigger piece, for example like a couch, and then work your way around. So one thing for sure, I want to add like a rug, like an area rug, because I feel like it's so bare right now. I decided to go with the whole gold concept, as you can see, like an overview right here. It's so pretty. I sometimes can't even understand like, how is this my entryway right now? Like, it's just giving modern looks. I went ahead and found this beautiful mirror. I have to get into this mirror before I talk about anything else. If you've seen my last vlog, you were there with me at the ending of that vlog where I shared this find at Home Goods. This mirror was about 90 bucks or 80 bucks. I don't remember. If you watch the vlog, you'll see. And it has like these gold leaves on the sides, but it's not like your typical mirror. Like a lot of people have like the starburst mirrors, but I just thought that it just fitted the round mirror with the rectangle. It's different golds, but it ties in. None of these gold shades are the same shade, believe it or not, but they just tie in. So this round mirror is beautiful. You definitely want to put a mirror in your entryway so that you could check yourself out before you leave for the day, you know, especially for your face. So if not even a full length mirror, something like this or even smaller, so that you could just check yourself out. And it opens up the space. When you have a small space, the mirrors open up the space. So this lamp, my mother helped me find this lamp. She actually helped me find the lamp, the mirror, these other two things I'm gonna get into, but this lamp was a find, baby. I got this from at home. I didn't bring you guys with me. I showed a snippet in the vlog before last, but the lamp shade and the lamp base didn't come together. So this is a white with like gold lines. Like, how? I mean, just come on. How? And this lamp is gigantic. Like, you could see it's so tall, up, like it's reaching the top. Like, look at how tall this lamp is. But I just love the accents. It's literally tying in with the little curved rectangular shapes here. And I love that it has the two handles, and they're long enough that you can see it and you don't have to stick your hand up inside. So it's easy access for one coming in, and anyone would be able to see the strings, which I love. And I went ahead and added the two bulbs in there, and it was $60 for the base, and I believe about $20 for the shade. Really nice, you guys. In love. I mean, I just can't get over this lamp. I also could have put a black shade, but that wouldn't have tied in. I mean, I love that I could just switch things out. And then over here, just for a couple of accent pieces, I also got this vase from At Home. Like, it's just so different. Look at the different reflections here. And I decided to go with navy blue as the accent color to kind of break up the gold that I have going on here. But this is a very big vase, and I believe I left the price on so I wouldn't forget to tell you guys. $35 for this vase. So I just want to show you, like, it's so deep and it's big. And then these, I believe I got them from At Home back when I was in Arizona a long time ago around Christmas time. So it's like little olive branches, but I mean, it's not screaming Christmas because of the monochrome metallic colors. So I decided to just put that in there. I can always switch that out if I wanted to, but I feel like for right now it oddly goes. This vase is so beautiful. They have another size, I believe. And then I found this oversized candle. I think I left this, yeah. I got 25% off of this. It was $16.99 and I got 25% off. I left the prices on for the video, like I told you guys. It's the oversized candle. I actually already have one of these. I bought some years ago from At Home. It's like a beige one, but I found it in this navy blue color that actually matches like perfectly. Like, how I did that, I have no clue. I don't plan on burning it. It's just for the looks, but it's so big. Like, it's so tall. The other one I have is like this tall, but this one is like huge. Like, you could see it next to the vase how tall it is. It's like absolutely gorgeous. I just love it so much. And then the last thing I have over here, I might not keep this here. I did find this at Burlington in the home goods section last year. It kind of ties in. I didn't plan on having this stool. Well, it's like a table. Now it's acting as a stool. It was originally in the living room, but like a lot of dual use going on in here. So I was using it like an accent table in the living room, but I decided to just put it out here as a placeholder, especially to kind of hide the cord. Thank goodness this cord came clear with this lamp. Unable to hide it well right now. It is gold and you can see through it. Thank goodness it wasn't black because it would have stood out way too much. But I plan on looking for something else like an ottoman, something small and sleek. You could actually sit on it. It's supposed to be a table, but I'm using it for whatever I want to right now. This is how it looks. So the door's right here. And when I walk in, this is what I see right now. So I just feel like it's very much not finished because it's kind of bare, very bare actually, but it's great for right now. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to check the link down below. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.